Abacus AI just dropped what they claim is the world's most powerful AI coding agent, CodeLLM CLI. And if the hype is true, this could completely change how developers write, debug, and ship software. Let's break this down in detail. Abacus AI has launched CodeLLM CLI, a command-line-based coding agent that they're boldly calling the #1 coding agent in the world. And unlike most AI coding tools we've seen before, this isn't just about generating snippets or boilerplate. CodeLLM CLI actually plans, executes, debugs, and adapts, all in real time, directly inside your terminal. So let's explore why this release is such a big deal, how it works, and why developers across the globe are calling it a potential game changer. 1. What makes CodeLLM CLI different? Most AI coding assistants today focus on completion and generation. You type a function, it auto-suggests. You ask for a snippet, it pastes one. Useful, but limited. What Abacus AI has done with CodeLLM CLI is elevate the entire workflow. It doesn't just stop at generating code. It can understand the architecture of massive repos, plan a project roadmap step by step, debug issues in real time, explaining the reasoning as it works, adapt dynamically to changes, almost like a human developer pair programming with you. This is important because developers don't just need code, they need a collaborator that understands context, structure, and goals. 2. Fusion of GPT-5 and Claude Sonnet 4. The secret sauce here is the combination of GPT-5 and Claude Sonnet 4. GPT-5 brings unmatched reasoning, depth, and accuracy, particularly in logical and architectural tasks. Claude Sonnet 4 brings speed and contextual understanding, especially with long documents and repo-wide comprehension. Together, they form what Abacus calls a dual-core coding brain, leveraging the best of both models. The result is an agent that can read thousands of lines of code, suggest fixes, and execute improvements without losing track. Imagine debugging an entire React plus Node.js monorepo, not just finding the bug, but walking you through how it happened, why it broke, and how to fix it, while updating tests automatically. That's the promise here. 3. Real demos that show its power. Abacus didn't just make claims. They showed real working demos that illustrate what CodeLLM CLI can do. Some highlights: chat to PDF apps. Instead of spending hours wiring up APIs, you can literally tell CodeLLM, build me an app where I can chat with a PDF. It scaffolds the project, wires in libraries, handles the back end, and even polishes the front end. Spreadsheet-to-chat dashboards. Give it a spreadsheet, and CodeLLM generates an interactive chat dashboard. No manual parsing, no complex setup. Massive repo debugging. Developers showed how CodeLLM read through a repo with thousands of files, identified conflicting functions, and proposed fixes that worked on the first try. And the most impressive part, it provides live reasoning in the terminal. You can see the steps it's taking, almost like watching a developer think out loud. 4. Memory features and personalization. Another key differentiator is persistent memory. Most coding agents are stateless. They forget everything as soon as you close them. CodeLLM CLI, however, remembers your preferences across tools, frameworks, and projects. Prefer Tailwind over Bootstrap? It remembers. Always use TypeScript instead of plain JavaScript. It adapts. Need tests in Jest rather than Mocha? It defaults to your style. This creates a sense of continuity where the agent actually learns your developer habits over time. That's a leap forward from being just a code generator to being a real coding partner. 5. Developer reactions. Production ready in minutes. Early testers have been buzzing about one thing. The output quality feels production ready. Instead of half-baked snippets that require hours of patching, developers are reporting that the code is structured with best practices baked in. Docs and comments are automatically generated. Testing frameworks are integrated by default. Errors are caught and fixed without endless retries. In short, it's not about saving a few keystrokes, it's about reducing weeks of work into hours. 6. Why this matters for developers. Here's the bigger picture. AI coding agents aren't new. We've had GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Devin AI, and others. But none of them have fully solved the planning plus execution plus debugging plus adaptation cycle. CodeLLM CLI aims to be that breakthrough. If Abacus can back up its #1 in the world claim with real benchmarks, then this agent isn't just another tool, it's a new standard. This could shift how developers measure AI assistance, not by token speed, not by snippet accuracy, but by how well they collaborate on end-to-end software projects. And that's where CodeLLM CLI is aiming. If this scales, here's what could happen. Solo developers could build production apps at startup speed. Enterprise teams could use AI for repo maintenance, bug fixing, and onboarding new developers. Open source contributors could clean up and modernize legacy codebases faster than ever. Non-technical founders might spin up real products without touching code. It's a vision of software creation as conversation. Not just typing code, but describing goals and letting an AI agent execute them intelligently. 8. Abacus AI's bigger ambition. Abacus AI isn't a new player. They've been building AI-first enterprise tools for years. But with CodeLLM CLI, they're planting their flag in the developer tools ecosystem. By merging cutting-edge reasoning models with workflow-level design, they're saying, this isn't just about AI helping you code faster, it's about AI becoming part of the dev team. And that's a very different future than autocomplete. So here's the bottom line. CodeLLM CLI by Abacus AI could mark a major turning point in AI coding. By combining GPT-5's reasoning with Claude Sonnet 4's speed, layering memory and real-time debugging on top, and packaging it all inside the terminal, they may have just created the most powerful AI coding agent in the world. If you want to try it yourself, the link is right here, codelm.abacus.ai. What do you think? Is this really the future of coding? AI as your real coding partner? Or just another step on the way? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and developer tools.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.